Hi everyone, this is a review on the Lego Technic 42-100 Liebherr 9800. Awesome kit. I built this build area, plant area, whatever you want to call it, out of MDF and just a bit of timber, and yeah, painted it white. Bought some Lego bits from the Lego shop, which I think work very well. Yeah, so like I said, this is just a quick review on an amazing kit from Technic. I know there's loads of reviews out there, but I wanted to build this plant area just to show you the capability of how good this machine really is. So yeah, let's go, let's fire it up. Let's see how good this machine is. As you can see, it can pick up a fair few bricks. I built this plant area this wide and this big because it has got a big turning circle in one respect, but you don't want the bricks to fly out and go everywhere, and it's not too bad. It's not finished. A few more adds I've got to do to it yet. If you have noticed, I have got these from eBay, just Lego chains on the real thing in real life. They come to here, and I think what it's for is to see when the bucket's practically to the ground. I think it's a guide. That's what I think it is anyway. But yeah. You can operate more than one part of the machine at any time if you can. So yeah, I've just opened and closed it. Open at the side. It is a heavy model as well. Great fun to build. Great fun to build. 26 to 30 hours of build time. Yeah, could have built it a bit quicker, but I just took my time. Fantastic build. Like I said, I think the ballast works well. Because when you've got your bucket practically overflowing with these little bits, it's not too heavy. Yeah, could have got them in a different colour, but I couldn't really, if you get the meaning. So is it the best kit they've done? Biggest parts, awesome kit, great fun. If you're a Technic fan, yeah, it's a bit pricey, but look at it. Just look at it. Yeah, the bucket wheel excavator, pretty fantastic. That's probably is one of my favourites. Then we got the big crane a few years back, the excavator, the old tractor, racing truck, breakdown trucks are wicked. One of my favourites, big Mercedes. You got the Mercedes Unimob, whatever you want to call it. Then the old breakdown truck. Then fantastic Porsche has been the best build. So much enjoyable. Yes, the crane was another nice one, but the Porsche has been my favourite build. I have got other stuff from the 80s, but obviously they're not on show today. Well, I wouldn't say they're on show today, but they're in bits. Then one other Technic, which is that was a nice little build. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.